All right, what's going on, guys? It's Matt here, and I'm going to talk about my next best platform to get free traffic. So if you're ready, let's go. All right, what's going on, guys? It's Matt here. Before I start this video, I wanted to let you guys know I'm opening up some free calls here in the month of June. If you guys want to get in on this, I basically will sit down with you and help you create your business plan to get you started. All you got to do is smash the link below and sign up for a time. So now back to the video. All right, the next best platform to get free traffic is going to be told you after you like and subscribe this channel. So make sure you do that right down below. And now getting back into the video, we're actually going to talk about the #1 platform right now to get free organic traffic, and that is TikTok. Yep, you heard it right. The popular platform TikTok right now is probably one of the best ways to go and get free traffic going. All you have to do is create 15 to 60 second videos, post them with some relevant hashtags, and you are off and running to the races. Right now, they did approve paid ads going forward. There's not a lot of paid ads going out on the platform right now, but keep in mind that this is something that's coming probably in the next 18 to 24 months. So right now is probably the best time to jump on, and just be patient and be consistent with your posting. And make sure you are checking that out. So if you dive in, you can see my profile right now. It's still growing. Just started this and started getting active on this a couple weeks ago, already up to 30 followers. I'm following 160 people. I did upgrade my account to a business account. So they have 3 types of accounts: personal, creator, and business. And I believe business is the only way to get that link in the bio. So especially if you're trying to generate leads to go somewhere, so whether it's a website that's going to have a landing page to bring you into a sales funnel, an affiliate link to another website, you're probably going to want to upgrade to at least the business account for now, and get that going. As you can see, I've uploaded all types of content, whether it's a stitch. This is a stitch, so that means you basically take somebody else's video, you grab like 5 or 6 seconds, and then you add more to the end of it. Or actually these 3 are reposts. I've been doing a lot of reposting lately. This one over here is what we say is a stitch. So I started off with Daryl Gray Jr., and then I stitched myself into that video. And then automatically, when you use the stitch feature, it automatically says stitch with, and then it tags the person. So you could actually, so it gives them credit. You go to his account and you can see that as well. Again, this is the website version of TikTok. The mobile app, there's a lot more features to do. As you should see, yeah, you just have fun and go for it. And even guys on Instagram I know who are like, this guy is a huge person on Instagram Reels. He literally reposts all of his Reels here on TikTok. So he's doing a very good job at double dipping and getting the following on here and the following on Instagram. So Instagram, I think he only has like, he has like 200,000 followers. So he's about the same amount of followers as well. So it's like, this is a very easy way to double dip on content, to double down. You could even triple down and drop it into YouTube Shorts, quadruple down and drop it into Pinterest. They have their own area. So there's a lot you could do with these Shorts videos. They are probably one of the latest trends. And, you know, there's definitely a bunch of features like going live and the whole 9. So definitely something you guys want to check out. There's a ton of people making TikToks and getting up there and getting that money coming in. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys found this video interesting. If you can, please subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and drop a comment below and let me know if you like it. All right, see you guys in the next video.